Hello, thanks for watching the video. So we have a bad turn signal bulb on my right side. Actually just checked, and it is the front. So how I could tell, and most people will be able to tell this as well, is if you're driving and you put your signal on and you've got that fast light signal sign instead of the normal signal sign, then you probably have a bad bulb. So like I said, we just figured out that it's the front. Now we have to figure out, because I've never changed the bulb in this car, so I'm not exactly sure how to do it. So that's what this video is about today. Okay, so to replace the bulb, I'm trying to find out how to do that, and it's enclosed over here. So I'm thinking right here is what we're going to have to loosen the screw. Okay, and then yeah, I think we should. All right, so mine should come off easier, but I've got some alien tape here, because this at one time before I bought the car was replaced, so it doesn't fit as nice as it should. As you can see, I've got some down here too. Hopefully we can get to that bulb now. Yeah, I stepped that stick pretty well. Alright, so yeah, there it is right there. It's pretty dirty, but wires look okay. And we need to turn this. So I'm going to turn this, well, I'm going to turn it towards me. Okay. And there's our bulb. And it's pretty black. Alright, let me put my lens down here where I drop it and break it. There's the, I'm sure it's an aftermarket piece, but anyway. Alright, so I'm going to probably use two hands on this, but I think I'm going to turn this to the left here, so that would be counterclockwise. Yeah, I have to push it in maybe to do that. Let's see. There we go. Maybe, yeah, okay. Alright, so I need to find out what bulb this is, and then I will get back and we will try to finish up this. Alright, so I found some writing on here. It's 1157. Yeah, that's a pretty common bulb for at least Toyotas, probably a lot of cars. It also has this style here. So you want to make sure you get that with the little double contacts like that. So let's go to the auto parts store and try to find this. Here we are now. I just got back from the auto parts place. I was able to pull these myself on the shelf. 1157, two of them for around $6, a little, probably closer to $7. All right, we're going to get one of these out. Alright, you can see I got a glove on here, so we'll get oil from my fingers on the bulb. It'll last longer, supposedly. Yes, I see the two raised spots. You line those up right here and here. Okay, now going to turn this clockwise. Locked in. Alright, now with the lens holder and the lens, just try to line that up. The lens, see all those see all the notches there in the lens holder? We'll try to line up the bulb holder Once it goes in, we just turn it there we go. Okay, now I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I've got all this tape, alien tape here. Now I just have to line up this hole for my screw. Got the lens lined up, the screw hole. Probably need to get some more alien tape because it's not where I'd like it to be. See, it doesn't seat all the way in here like it should, so it kind of sticks out. It's always done that because that fender doesn't fit very well. It should look like this right here. Anyway, so bulb was changed. Let's see. See, that's why I was getting the tape. See how it flops around? So I'm going to need some more alien tape, but bulb was changed now. Let's go ahead and test it. And that is now we'll replace the bulb anyway. Side marker, or I should say turn signal on a 97 Tercel. Hopefully it's going to work. Perfect, beautiful. I know there's not a whole lot of people out there that are going to have this model, but if you do, hope it's been helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care.